Hi friends, welcome back. Going this side. This is a chapter 10 where we are going to look how to create the Docker image by using Apache Maven or by using Maven command. In our previous video, we have created the Docker image by using Dockerfile and some Docker commands. But in this video, we will create the Docker image by using Maven commands. So to achieve this, we require the Spotify plugin. Okay, we need to add the Spotify plugin in our pom.xml file, and then just by hitting one command we can create the Docker image of our application. Before going forward, if you are new to these channels, then I request you to go and watch my previous videos so that you can get the better understanding on this. So let's start. So this is my Spring Boot application. This is very simple application where I have created the one REST controller and one endpoint. Okay, this is endpoint, and I have added one Docker file. Here we added some configuration. Okay, so to create the Docker image, Docker read this Docker pen and create the Docker image for us. These all things I already explained in my previous video. Okay, so in this video our requirement is like, by using Maven command we want to generate the Docker image. So for that we need to add the Spotify plugin in pom.xml. So before adding a Spotify plugin in pom.xml, our jar name is docker-demo.jar. So go to pom.xml. We want the jar name pom.xml. So add final name. Final name is this. Okay, docker-demo.jar. I want final name because I added here. In target folder, docker-demo.jar will be create, and that docker-demo.jar we copied in our image. Okay, so now add Spotify plugin. This is my blog. In this blog I write the plugin information, so copy this plugin. Okay, I also give in the description block, don't worry. So open the pom.xml now. In the pom.xml, inside plugins, okay, inside plugins, copy our plugin. Okay, so this is a Spotify plugin we add. This is a Spotify plugin, version 13, and this is the goals. We don't want this goal because we don't want I don't want to push that image into the Docker Hub repository, so I remove this goal. And after that, repository name, you can give any name. Okay, so I want Docker demo img, something like this. Okay, so this is my image name and this is my username of my Docker Hub repository. Okay, so our image will be create by using this name. So, and this is a tag. So tag is just version, I give 1, and plugins 2 times, so I remove one plugin. Okay, that's it. Now let's run the application. Maven build, and to run the application the command is package dockerfile build. Okay, with this command, this is a Maven command, and with this command we can create the Docker image. Okay, so apply and run. Okay, so build is starting. Build is started, and here our build is generated. Now you can see our whatever information we wrote in the Docker file, that all these steps is started. Okay, step number 1 from JDK, step number 2 expose, step number 3 add, and step number 4 entry point. You can see Docker file. Okay, there is a Docker file. Step number 1 from expose, add, and entry point. And now go to the console and check. Okay, from, add, entry point, this is all 4 steps. Okay, here done, and our Docker image is generated. This is the name of image, docker demo img. Okay, same name we gave in pom.xml, and this is a tag. Okay, so go pom.xml and just check. Okay, this is our image name, docker demo.img. Now open terminal and check the image generated properly or not. Just type docker images. Okay, so here is our image, docker demo.img, and this is a tag one. So let's run it, docker run, and pass your image name. Okay, so your Spring Boot application is starting and up and running on port number 8080. Okay, so let's run localhost colon 8080 slash our endpoint name is data, right? What happened? What is our endpoint name? Endpoint name is data, right? So what happened? Let's do one thing. Open new terminal and write docker images. Okay, let's run again. Docker run. I want to run this image. Okay, and I expose port number onto 8080 like this, something. Docker run -p for port number. Spelling mistake right here, docker. Okay, our application is up and running on port number 8080, and we expose port 80 here. So let's go and type here 80 and check the image working properly or not. Okay, so here image working properly, image created by Spotify plugin. This is the response getting from server. You can check here, image created by Spotify plugin. Okay, so in this way we can create the a Docker image by using Spotify plugin. Okay, this plugin information I can give in description block, and also you can go on my this blog exotic.blogspot.in. From here you get this information. Okay, so thanks for watching. We will meet you in next video.